Hi guys, in our last module we have explained the concept of CQRS, and in this module I'm going to walk you through the command handler and mediator using a very typical create product flow. Okay, let's go to our project, the order stream.product.application class library project. Select it, right click it, select add a new folder and name it commands. A command represents an intention to change the system state. Think of a command as a request to do something. The characteristics of a command are it changes data like create, update, and delete. It's named as an action like create product, update order. It contains only the data needed to perform the action and it has no behavior. So our first command is going to be create product command. Let's go back to the command folder, right click it, add another folder and call it create product. And inside the create product folder we'll create our first command class. Select create product, add new item and name it create product command. Okay, let's name it create product command. Here we are. Let's go ahead and remove the unnecessary usings. We come here and change the internal to public. Let's also change the class to record and remove this one. So here, if we go back to our product entity class, we have ID, we have the product name and the money price. So we come here and we put string name or product name, like product name, and then decimal product price, and we have I request GUID. Okay, here there is an error here. The type of namespace name I request could not be found. Are you missing a using directive or an assembly reference? So here what we are going to do is to come back to the order stream.product.application project, right click it and select manage NuGet packages. Okay, so here let's look for mediator. Okay, let's select it and click on install. Accept. Okay, we have it installed here. So let me save everything and go back to my create product command class and do control period using mediator. No more error. What does this class do? So we set public record create product command, string name, decimal product price, and then we have iRequest.GUID. The record first is immutable. The create product command describe the intention. The name and prices are the input data, and the I request of good is when handled return the product ID. Simply means this command says that please create a product and give me its ID. That's it. So next we are going to create the product command handler. Let me copy this. Come here to the create product folder, add new item. We put it here and do create product command handler. What is a command handler? A command handler contains the business logic required to execute a command. A handler answers the question, how do we perform this command? Okay. Now we come here, let's remove the unnecessary usings. And I'll put my public here. And I'll come here and do I request handler. Let me just drop it down here so that we see it correctly. I request handler, the create product command, and the GUID. So this is it here. We copy this, we take this one, and the GUID here. We go back and we implement it. First of all, let's using Medita for it, and then implement the command here. Okay, so this is it. Public task GUID handle create product command request and cancellation token. Now, what do we need here? When we go to the iProduct repository, in the core project, we have defined the following: get all product, get product by ID, get product by name, get product count, add product async, update product async, and then delete product async. What we need here is the add product async, since we are creating a new one. So we go back to our handler and call the iProduct repository. And go to our handler class. What we need to do here is to call it here, define it here by putting a private read only, and then iRepository, and do this repository. Then I'll come and put my constructor here, public. Okay, and I'll do tab here. Here is my constructor, public create product command handler, iProduct repository, and then the underscore repository is equals to repository. Why are we getting error? We are getting error because the type of namespace name iProduct repository could not be found. Are you missing a directive? Yeah. This one comes from the other stream.product.core project, and we are calling it in the other stream.product.application project. So we'll come here, we'll go to the dependencies of the application project, right click it, and select add project reference. We'll select other stream.product.core. We have this one exactly here. Let me save it. After doing that, when you double click on the other stream.product.application, you will see it here, project reference other stream.product.core. Okay, so we are good. Now we can do control period here to bring it here using other stream.product.core.repository. Okay, so no more error. Now let's come here and put our implementation here. How is going to do it? We first put on async here, and come here and remove the throw new not implemented exception. Okay. The first thing to do here is to instantiate value object for product name and product price. So let me put instantiate value objects for product properties like product name and product price. So I'll come here and do var product name, var product name is equals to, I don't need this one here, new product name, the value object, and then request.product name. The product name is here, is defined here. Create product command. So if I do this one, go to definition, I have the product name here. So we go back to our handler class and do the same thing for the price. var product price is equals to new product price. Is it product price? No, we don't have product price value object. We instead have money, and the money has amount and currency. So we come here and put new money here, request.price and request.currency, and then request.currency. This one doesn't exist, so I have to go back to our create product command and add currency there. So where is it? Money. So our currency is of type string. We go back here and put comma, string, currency. Okay. No more error here. Then we finish instantiating the value object. Now we create a new product. At the end of the page here, we do var new product is equals to, yeah, I have it here already, is equals to call.entity.product.create. Let me see if we have create there. We don't have create there. Then we do this. If we don't have create there, let's go to our entity class or aggregate class. So here we are, product name, money, product price, and we have, okay, update price, update name. We have only product here, so this one can also be the create. So what we need to do is coming back here, and instead of doing this one, we put new and remove the create here. Correct. So we are here. This is it. If I do this one, it should take me to the constructor of the product entity. Exactly what we want. And at the end, we come here and do a wait. Repository.add async. No, not add. It's not add async. It's rather add product async. So let me do this. That add product async. So if I should come here, let me go to implementation and see if everything is okay. Here we are already saving it to the database. Then we come here, we say save everything and give us the ID. Then we return new products.id. And that's it for our command handler. So that's exactly what is needed to create a new product. Actually. Next, let's work on the update product command.